Bakkt app. The pros, the cons. The Bakkt app is one of the more unique players in the crypto wallet space, not just because it handles Bitcoin, but because it connects your crypto with everyday spending. But does it live up to the promise? Let's go through the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Bakkt is all about bridging digital assets with real-world use. The app allows users to manage crypto, gift cards, and loyalty rewards all in one place. You can even convert your Bitcoin into cash or use it for everyday purchases, something most wallets can't do seamlessly. Security is another major strength. Bakkt operates under strict US regulatory oversight and partners with trusted institutions. That means assets are stored with enterprise-grade security, including insured custody through Bakkt's federally regulated platform. For users who want peace of mind, that's a big plus. The app also integrates with traditional finance, making it easy to buy and sell or hold Bitcoin without needing to dive deep into blockchain mechanics. You can even use your funds through linked cards or merchants that accept Bakkt payments. Now, let's look at the cons. The biggest drawback is that Bakkt is custodial. Your assets are stored by the company, not you. While this ensures convenience and compliance, it also means you don't have full control over your private keys, something crypto purists often dislike. Another con is limited crypto support. The Bakkt app currently focuses mainly on Bitcoin, with few altcoins or tokens available. That makes it less useful for diversified portfolios or DeFi enthusiasts. Lastly, Bakkt's international availability is still limited, focusing primarily on US users. Some features may not be accessible worldwide. In conclusion, the Bakkt app is perfect for people who want to integrate crypto into their daily spending habits. It's safe, compliant, and user-friendly, but not ideal for advanced traders or decentralized finance users. If you're looking for a bridge between crypto and everyday money, Bakkt is worth exploring.